we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna give it a try. Let's see. I think you should stick with your meats. Burgers is not for you, man. What's good, and welcome back to another episode of Shevy Eats, where food is the dream. Guys, welcome back, man. I'm super excited because today, if you watched the previous video, the Burger King video, you know what I got today. Can you guess what it is? Man, your boy got Arby's. Guys, I haven't had Arby's in freaking years, man. Like, Arby's is never a place that, you know, I just say, hey, let's go get some Arby's. So, you know, the reason why I decided to go to Arby's today was because I seen that they came out with this new burger. It's some type of Wagu beef burger. So we're gonna try that out and you know, see how that goes, because I know Arby's not really known for burgers. They're more of, you know, we are the meats, or we got the meats, or whatever they say on the commercial. So we're gonna see how this burger is, and I also got some other things, so, you know, we'll go over those things, you know, as I get to them. One of the other things I definitely want to try is this drink. It's a blueberry lemonade drink, so I'm kind of curious to see, you know, how that's gonna taste. But yeah, man, if you're digging the channel and, you know, you like what you see, you know, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, make sure you comment down below, so that way you can continue to get great content. Let's go ahead and get into here. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna open up this drink here, because I'm not gonna lie, your boy just got through working out. Well, I didn't work out. I took a walk. I walked for about an hour and 15 minutes. Burned about, I think on my thing it said I burned about like almost 800 calories. So your boy's doing good, you know, trying to get in shape. And, you know, walking helped me back then. So, you know, I'm gonna get back. I'm gonna keep doing the walking. Wow. That is very, very refreshing, man. Oh man, that's really good. I can actually taste the blueberry. I like this, man. I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. This is really good. Oh wow. All right. So let's go ahead and get into this. Let's see what we got. I kind of got a little bit of everything. We got some curly fries here. And I got some of this sauce here. It's called Arby's Bronco Berry Sauce. So, you know me, I'm more of a sweet and sour sauce type of guy, but they didn't have any sweet and sour sauce. They said this was the closest thing to the sweet and sour sauce, so we're gonna give that a try. Okay. Very good. Yeah, that's one thing I do remember is their fries, their curly fries. Man, they're right up there with Jack in the Box, man. Those fries are on point. And I've never actually had their crinkle fries, so we got their crinkle fries here, and we're gonna see how these taste. I'll stick with the curly fries. All right, well, let's go ahead. We got the burger here. Now, I already, you know, filled on the burger. You know, it feels kind of cold. I just got this, so it should be warm, but it feels kind of cold. It doesn't feel like a hefty burger. So basically what's on it, it has like some special sauce and cheese, lettuce, ketchup. No, I don't think they put ketchup on here, but it has the sauce in there. So it came with like tomatoes and some other stuff, but you know, I don't like tomatoes or pickles. So let's give it a shot. I'm not gonna lie, this bun, man, I mean, it's soft, but I don't know. This kind of feel like it's an old bun or something, and the burger patty is kind of small, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna give it a try. Let's see. I can tell you right now that the sauce is like a Thousand Island sauce, kind of like on a Big Mac or something. I don't know how I feel about this burger. I mean, usually I wouldn't go to Arby's for a burger, so I mean, usually I don't really go to Arby's at all, but I don't know. I'll be straight up honest with you, man. This burger right here, I'm not really feeling it, man. So Wagu beef burger, Arby's, I think you should stick with your meats. Burgers is not for you, man. I'd probably give this burger a 6 out of a 10. I mean, it's not a horrible burger, but it's not really what I'm looking for. So yeah, that's gonna be a 6 out of 10. I was really hoping that, you know, that was gonna be a fire burger. Let's get some more of this lemonade. Woo. That lemonade is good. All right, next on the menu, we have some of their, I guess you call them chicken nuggets. So we're gonna try these chicken. Uh-oh. Almost dropped them. Almost dropped them. But we're gonna go ahead and try these chicken nuggets. So I got this sauce, and so we're gonna, I already like the sauce, so I already know the sauce is good, but let's see how it goes with the chicken nugget. The chicken nuggets are pretty nice in size, so let's see how it is. It's a nice amount of meat. Nice white meat. I mean, hey, I can't really complain about this chicken nugget. It's crunchy. It's not dry. It's flavorful. Is it a McDonald's chicken nugget? No, but is it a good chicken nugget? Oh yeah, I would definitely come back to Arby's to get these chicken nuggets. I give those chicken nuggets 8.5 out of a 10. All right, now, if you remember in the Burger King video, I got mozzarella sticks, but they didn't give me any sauce. So today I saw Arby's had mozzarella sticks, so I decided to get their mozzarella sticks. And guess what? They gave me the sauce. I didn't even have to ask for it. They gave me the sauce. So that's already an extra point right there. So let's see. This is the mozzarella stick. Let's see how good it's gonna be. Oh man, no cheese pull. I don't know. I'm gonna get one more. I mean, I like the sauce. I'm not gonna lie, the mozzarella stick, I mean, it's pretty flavorful. I give it a 7 out of a 10. All right, we're getting close to the end of the menu. Next, I saw they had these little chicken sliders. So I just got this little basic chicken slider. It's chicken with some Swiss cheese on it. It didn't come with like they didn't put any type of sauce on here. And I'm gonna be honest with you, this bun is hella dry. Like, look, I can't even take this off. Like, it's so hard. So that's already negative right there. And then the bun is burnt. So I have a feeling I'm not gonna like this, but we're gonna give it a shot anyway. So here we go. Yeah, I could barely even bite into it. It's hard, it's old. This right here, oh no, This is a -2. -2, not good at all. No. I don't know what y'all was thinking. So the last thing on the menu, we have some type of apple dessert. I think they called it an apple fritter. So, you know, I'm a sucker for dessert, so we're gonna see how this tastes. Let's see. It's very flaky. I'm not really getting the apple though. Maybe I gotta bite on this side. That was, that's good. That's real good. I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. I think my favorite thing out of this entire meal is gonna be the blueberry lemonade and the apple fritter. Yeah, curly fries was good too. That burger, that's a no-go. Whew. Oh man. All right, well, I probably just gained back everything that I just burnt off. So I'm gonna go chill for a little bit and you know, spend some time with the family, and then yeah, I'm probably gonna get back and go head to the gym, work out a little bit. Your boy is on a journey to get back in shape, and so I want to take y'all along with me, show y'all what I do. So I think what I'm gonna start doing on these videos is I'm gonna start putting like my weight, how much I weigh, and then you know what type of physical activity I did for the day. And I'm just gonna bring y'all along with me, and you know we're gonna do this together, man. So y'all know, y'all sit back, get comfortable, and y'all stay tuned because we're about to have fun. Also, what y'all think about me doing like some series, like maybe doing like who has the best wings, you know, or pizza or burgers or Mexican food, and you know, and then who has the worst? What y'all think? Ooh, excuse me. What y'all think about that? Would y'all like to see that? Because I'm kind of anxious to do it. I mean, I'll definitely be able to get to try out some new stuff, and I don't mind traveling, you know. So I want to see, you know, what's out there, you know, furthermore in my city. So y'all let me know, like down below, you know, if you want to see me do some series soon, because I would love to do that, guys. Other than that, you know, it's let's keep it moving, let's stay positive. Your boy, you know, he gonna keep on doing it big, and yeah, I'm gonna see y'all on the next video. Remember, food is the dream. I love you guys. Peace.